where, whoa, holy shit. Ugh. You're welcome, I killed the spider. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you guys are new, welcome. My name's Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, skincare, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got links for all my social media accounts, affiliate links, discount codes, everything of that nature in the description box below. So I would really appreciate it if you guys could follow me there and check those out. That would be super awesome. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression and review, sort of, on the L'Oreal Pure Clay masks, specifically on the Eucalyptus one. So that was a really long intro, but if you want to see my first impressions and review of this product, then please keep on watching. So I got decent sized samples from L'Oreal probably about 2 years ago or so, year and a half. They'll do this with a lot of new-ish launches where they'll send either full-size or like decently full-size products out to the first like 10,000 or however many people who just fill out a form with like their name and shipping address. Shipping is free, the products are free, like it's awesome. And I don't think they even ask for anything in return. Like they'll say, you know, post a picture maybe using their hashtag, maybe not. They just give away free products, so why not? I think they only do this in Canada though. I'm not sure if they do this in other places. So I did a video about a year and a half, 2 years ago, trying out the exfoliating one, which is the red algae. So I'll post a link to that somewhere around on my screen and in the description box so you can watch that if you want to check it out. I really like clay masks and my skin seems to really love them. I don't know if you can really tell right now, but I've got an eczema flare happening. So my skin is not the happiest. So I figured I would try one of these out because usually clay masks seem to sort of calm my skin and rebalance. So I am going to go take off my makeup and then I'll come back and we will try out this product. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna put this on. So again, this is the Eucalyptus Purifying one, and it just says, oh, it purifies and mattes. It says how to use, apply to clean, dry skin. So I just removed my makeup and washed my face and dried it. Avoiding eye and lip area, leave on for 10 minutes, remove with water. It has a bit of a smell. What does that smell like? Kind of smells like chemicals. Ooh, okay. I have it on my eczema and it's kind of starting to burn. I was hoping that wouldn't be the case, but good to know. I'm just going to let this sit on my face for about 10 to 20 minutes. Sometimes I leave masks on longer than what they say just because I want to, like, you know, absorb the benefits. So I will leave this on for about that long and I'll see you guys then. All right, so I'm back. It's been about 20 minutes, half an hour, a bit longer than, you know, it suggests on here, but I'm not too worried. So I am gonna go wash this off and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back. I've obviously washed the mask off my face. It took a while because I kind of put too much on. So it just took a while for all that to like melt off. It kind of did mattify. I mean, my skin isn't too oily, so it doesn't need too much mattifying, but what else did it say on here that it does? It says purifies and mattes. So I feel like purify can be kind of taken in a couple different ways, but my skin, it feels really nice. My eczema seems to have calmed down a bit. It's still kind of dry and almost taut. It seems to have almost exfoliated off some of the dead skin that was around there earlier. But aside from that portion, I don't know, my skin looks good. It feels good. It feels smooth. So yeah, I like it. I would probably give this 5 out of 5. I don't have anything bad to say about it. It applies easily and it removes easily. It smells nice and does what it says it'll do. I definitely recommend this. I don't remember exactly what I said about the last one since I filmed it a while ago, but I really like these masks. I really like clay masks in general. They just seem really good for my skin and probably for most skin types. It just seems like very gentle on your skin and seems to give you a nice sort of like radiant finish after. Yeah, so I'm really happy with this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've used this product before or one of the other ones from their Pure Clay mask line, I'd love to know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video.